Now let's come back to the logs next session, sir. Find the value of first question. Find the value of log to the base 2, log to the base 2, log to the base 3, log 27 to the power 3 base 3 is equal to question mark. My question is log to the base 2, log to the base 2, log to the base 3, log 27 power 3 to the base 3, and its value you have to calculate. Now sir, when I am doing the log problems, every time I have to identify how to move outer to inner or inner to outer. Now every time when you are solving a logarithmic problem, consider which log is in proper form. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 logs are there. Out of these 4, it is in proper form. Log 27 to the power 3 to the base 3. Proper form means it is having number as well as base. Number as well as base. So I am simplifying log 27 to the power 3 to the base 3. Log a power b can be written as b log a. Log a power b can be written as b log a. Now this is 3 into 27 can be written as 3 cube to the base 3. Again log a power b can be written as b log a. 3 3s are 9 into 1 9. 9 into 1 9. Logarithm of any number having same base is equal to 1. Logarithm of any number having same base is equal to 1. So this whole part is replaced with 9. Then the given question is converted into log to the base 2, log to the base 2, log 9 to the base 3. Log 9 to the base 3. Again log 9 to the base 3 is in proper form. Consider log 9 to the base 3. This can be written as log 3 square to the base 3. 9 can be written as 3 square. So log 3 square to the base 3. This is of the type log a power b. It can be written as 2 into log 3 to the base 3. Logarithm of any number having same base is 1. So log 3 to the base 3 is 1. 2 into 1 is 2. So log 9 to the base 3 can be replaced with 2. The given question is reduced to log to the base 2 inside the brackets log 2 to the base 2. Inside the brackets it is log 2 to the base 2. Again logarithm of any number having same base is 1. Log 1 to the base 2. Log 1 of any base is 0, sir. Log 1 of any base is 0. This is the answer to the given question. Let us see question number 2. Here it is question number 1. Log to the base 3, and it is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into etc. up to infinity. Each root is going up to infinity, sir. Each root is going up to infinity. This is my next question. Okay, how to solve this? Let x is equal to 3, 3, 3, 3. You can write one more 3, etc. infinity. It is in root. It is again in root. It is again in root, again in root, again in root. Each root is going up to infinity. And there is a multiplication sign. Squaring on both the sides. Squaring on, even squaring on both sides. When I square this one on both sides, x square is equal to, look at this, for this 3, there is only one root, sir. There is only one root I have. For this, root is eliminated, 3 into, remaining will go on as it is. This way. Now from an infinite number of terms, if I leave one question, from an infinite number of terms, if I leave one term, there is no change in its value. So this part can be replaced with x. This part can be replaced with x. So this is x square is equal to 3x. I can cancel one x here, x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. So let me substitute here. This whole part is what? X to the base 3. This is equal to log 3 to the base 3. 1. Log x to the base 3. This is equal to log 3 to the base 3. Answer is 1. Look at the solution part one more time, sir. It is a good question. 3, 3, 3, 3 for each root is going on up to infinity. This 3 is in root, this 3 is in root, this 3 is in root, this 3 is in root. And this way it is going up to infinity, infinite number of terms. Let us take x is equal to this expression. Squaring on both the sides. X square is equal to 1 root is eliminated, remaining part is as it is. Now sir, from an infinite number of terms, if I leave one term, there is no change in its value. There is no change in its value. So leaving this 3, a remaining part is replaced with x. So x square is equal to 3x or x is equal to 3. One x cancel on both the sides. So log x to the base 3, log 3 to the base 3, this is equal to 1. Next question. Next question, sir. Question number 3. X is equal to log a to the base 2a. Y is equal to log 2a to the base 3a. Z is equal to log 3a to the base 4a. Then xyz plus 1 is equal to question mark. My options are 2xy, 2yz, 2zx. Option D, none of this. This way options are also given. This way options are also given. Okay. Now xyz plus 1 value I have to evaluate. So see the solution. See the solution. Consider xyz. Log a to the base 2a, log 2a to the base 3a into log 3a to the base 4a. This is my question, sir. Using base shifting concept, Log 3a cancel, log 2a cancel. So this is equal to log a divided by log 4a. Again it can be written as log a to the base 4a. Log a by log b can be written as log a to the base b. So when I simplified xyz, what is obtained? Log a to the base 4a. So 1 plus xyz is equal to 1 plus log a to the base 4a. 1 plus log a to the base 4a. Now sir, this one also I want to write in terms of log. This one also I want to write in terms of log. Now here base is 4a. This is written as 1 is written as log 4a to the base 4a, log a to the base 4a. Bases are same. Bases are same. You can use log results. Log a plus log b can be written as log ab to the base 4a. Log 4a square to the base 4a. Log 2a whole square to the base 4a. 4a square can be written as 2a square. 2a whole square. Log a power b. This is log 2a to the base 4a. Now this is 2 into. Again I am shifting the base, sir. Log 2a to the base 3a into log 3a to the base 4a. You can write in this manner. You can introduce a new base here. I want a new base as 3a. Whatever base you have written here, with this you write again log 3a to the base 4a. Verify here. 2 into log 2a by log 3a into log 3a by log 4a. These two cancel, leaving with 2 into log 2a by log 4a. 2 into log 2a to the base 4a. Same obtained. Same value is obtained. So you can shift the base here. 2 into log 2a to the base 3a can be written as y. Log 3a to the base 4a can be written as z. So 2yz. 1 plus xyz is equal to 2yz. Only important point is the term inside this bracket, sir. Log 2a to the base 4a, I am writing this as 2 into log 2a to the base 3a into log 3a to the base 4a. Now I am verifying whether it is a correct process or not. Log 2a to the base 3a, log 2a by log 3a. This is log 3a by log 4a. Log 3a cancel, leaving with log 2a by log 4a, which is log 2a to the base 4a. So you can write this way also. Answer is 2yz. It's a very good question, sir. You have to do one more time practice. Even 2 times. Because you have to complete this in 1 month, 1 minute.